Good morning, good morning, good morning. So today I need to take this drone to get repaired. And one of the things that I found out that's never really talked about with these drones is if you don't use them for a while, these plastic pieces here, particularly on these arms, as you can see right here, they will break if you don't use them. So I went to open this to use it and both of these front arms broke. So now, even though I have insurance, I got to take it to a repair shop today to get it repaired. So it's probably going to end up costing me a few $100s to get this fixed. Although I paid for insurance on this drone through DJI, there's no DJI store here in Medellin I could take it to. Now there is a authorized retailer in Bogota, but by the time I send it to Bogota, get it back, it's gonna be pretty close to what I spent to get it fixed just doing it here. So I decided to just take it to a repair shop here, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me on this journey of getting this thing fixed, and hopefully it turns out okay. But this is also the reason why I'm not buying another drone, especially being here. If I was in the States, I'll probably have the Maverick Mini 3 Pro as well as the Maverick 3 Pro, the bigger one. But being here in Colombia is not necessary. I don't fly these enough to justify spending that kind of money for this. So for me, it's like, nah, I'm good with what I got, which is this drone and my Mini SE. Hey guys, let's go take a look outside, see how the weather is today. So, doesn't look that bad out today. Hopefully, it's like yesterday, sun comes out. Things are pretty much back to normal now after the holidays. We got Rappy out here doing their thing. Got people walking back and forth. And I'm just waiting on the driver to show up today. Let's take a look up here. Pretty cloudy day out today. But yeah, as soon as she gets here, guys, take you guys on a journey with me to drop that drone off. And hopefully everything goes smooth. All right, see you guys in a little bit. Vegas small, gotta go up top to get the drone fixed. Wow, saddles, caballos. Hey, what's going on, guys? Markel here. So that all happened yesterday, and I was able to help that guy out a little bit, gave him some money to get him something to eat, and we ended up taking off and going to Monterey Mall because I needed to pick up a new light that I'm using right now, and I got an unboxing coming out for that light. We took it to that Play Geek, which is a drone store. They sell drones, they repair drones. And it ended up being 550,000 pesos. Now I don't have to pay until it's completed, but they charge $200,000 pesos to do the diagnostic, and then there was a $350 charge to repair it. So all in all, with the exchange rate, it's about $112 to fix it. But you know, went in Monterey to look for the light, walked around a little bit in Monterey, hollered at some people that I knew there in Monterey, and that was pretty much it. That's a typical day for me, man. If I'm not going to one of these small pueblos or hanging out with one of my friends in their barrio, you know, just out taking care of business like you would in the States. You know, you see this question all the time, is Medellin safe? It really depends on what you're into when you come here. If you're gonna live a normal life, right? Similar to the way you would live in the US, you're not gonna have any issues here. You're not in areas of crime. You know, you're staying out of areas of crime, you're gonna be fine. If you're coming here, your purpose is to go hang out in areas of crime, you should expect crime to happen to you just like anywhere else in the world, okay? But that's it for this video, man. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.